Hi, today we're going to take the unboxing review of Transformers 6 movie pack. This one's the digital and Blu-ray, or Blu-ray and digital, whatever. So you get all 6 movies in here of Transformers. Technically, I'm only really going to count it as 5. So you get, TF1, TF2, TF3, TF4, TF5, which was the last night, and then their TF6, which is I'm not going to count it as TF6. I'm going to count it as, a side movie. Bumblebee. So, yep. Let's see if we can focus here. So, yeah. Blu-ray digital movie pet. It was about $40 over at Walmart. So, yeah, 40 at Walmart. It says plus bonus digital movie Transformers 5. Which is kind of weird. The bonus digital on Voodoo only gives you the first 5 TF movies, but not, the sub-side 6 Bumblebee movie. So, kind of weird. You buy a 6 pit for hard disk, but the digital will only give you the 5 original. From Voodoo. So, yeah. As you can see, that's where it comes. Now, how they did this is kind of stupid. So, they went with Bumblebee 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, which anyone actually really knows is to go first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, like that. But yeah, so I don't know how. Let me get the wrapper off so the camera can focus a little bit better. Okay, that's a little bit better for the camera. Come on. So you get Transformers, Revenge of the Fallen, which is the second one, Transformers, Dark of the Moon, the third one, Transformers, Age of Station, the fourth one, Transformers, The Last Night, which is the fifth one of the actual TF, Transformers series. And then you have the sixth movie, which is just Bumblebee. Now, I wonder if they're going to continue on with making side quest movies. If they do, that might not be quite a bad thing. I know one that everyone's going to be asking for is, Optimus Prime side quest movie, just like how they did a side quest movie for, Bumblebee. What should Optimus Prime side quest movie be about? But I know a lot of you are going to be like, no duh, Optimus Prime. But I'm talking about, like, kind of the backstory where you show, like, him as Orion Pats with Alita, and then, how then became Optimus Prime after it's been rebuilt, from the parts and stuff, from Alpha Trion, kind of like the background origin story where it's like, who's that? That's not Optimus Prime. Wait, that's Orion Pats. That's like, oh, that's Optimus Prime. He becomes Optimus Prime. He's a Prime. You know what I'm talking about? Because I'm Prime right now. Because, yeah, that'd be pretty good. Also, they should have Metatron, because you remember, it was kind of weird. Like, back in the day, it was like Metatron's full name was Metatronus, but then he shortened it to Metatron, and then later on was the, I want to say IGW, but it wasn't IGW, it was Rooster Teeth or something? I can't remember it. But, the animated one that they came out with, it wasn't, was it Rooster Teeth? I don't know. I know Netflix says that they're going to take over it. It's the one that, had the Titans Return, which was Headmasters and City Masters, I guess. And then, it was, Combined Wars was actually the first one. Then Titans Return. Then Power the Prize. Power the Prize was like the most garbage one that they did. I mean, seriously, for real. The stories would jump around, the time force would jump around. First episode, 2 minutes. Something I was told 22 minutes. What? Yeah. And then they put out like episode 1, 2, 5 sets. What happened to 3, 4, and the rest in between? Nope. And the story was odd, weird. You couldn't follow, Power the Prime story. And the toy line did not match up to the anime line because the toys would have the Prime armor and use Prime Masters. Yet the anime never talked about the Prime armor or anything about the Prime Masters that went inside the Prime armor. It was just horrible and garbage. Even the toy line fell apart. Like, I would not even recommend picking up Power the Primes, the toy lines. It was just complete garbage. Now, Combine Wars, toy line, I don't know about. Anime was good. The Times Return, anime and toys was fantastic. I loved it. And, going on with kind of somewhat the new one of the War for Cybertron Siege lineup toys. So, kind of fantastic. So, yeah. But anyway, enough of that. Let's get to the thing here. And we have separate codes here for each movie. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, they only give you the first 5. So, nothing too excited about the sets one. But I mean, yeah, if they could do like, maybe if they could squeeze in the movie, Orion Pads and Metatronus, and then, it becoming Optimus Prime and Metatron, some kind of thing like that. I think that would be a pretty good origin background movie. But yeah, here's this one. Just Transformers. Disc 2. Transformers Revenge of the Fallen. Which is kind of funny. It kind of looks like those are a standard, definition, like maybe 1080p or something like that. But no, not 1080p. I mean 720 Pi. But 1080 HD. Blu-ray, which is kind of weird that the disc colors changed from the first 2 to the rest. So the third one is Star of the Moon. Fourth one, Asia Station. Fifth one is The Last Night, which is funny. I've seen only movie 1 through 4 and the Bumblebee one. I never got a chance to actually see the fifth one. So I heard that one was supposed to be somewhat okay. So yeah. And then of course, I know everyone wants to see the Bumblebee. So yeah, I mean, we already seen the Bumblebee one that I showed you like around Easter time, that one. But here he is again, kind of the same thing. So yep. Oh. So yeah, you get kind of like the feature film in the standard definition, and then you get the Blu-ray feature film, but with special features. So Blu-ray gives you a little bit more. What's funny is they're telling you, hey, you could go out and buy the remaining 5, but this box was like, yeah, you know what, F it. But put it all together. Although this one is showing that it's in 4K, which 4K. But now I heard there's gonna be a new thing called 8K. So if you're like, oh man, 4K, that picture looks sharp. Wait until 8K comes out. Yeah, it's coming out. I'm not exactly sure when it's coming out, for a time and date. But I know it's going to be around the corner pretty soon. Somewhere around maybe next year, I'm guessing. So 4K is going to look like 720 Pi. And 8K is going to look like 1080 HD, So, yeah, be on the lookout for, like I said, 8K is going to replace 4K. Then, not that bad, You're getting 6 movies for $40 on Blu-ray with, digital download codes, which you do get all 6 digital download codes. Because on this paper you get the original TF5, and this Bumblebee box you get, the Bumblebee code to watch the Bumblebee movie, on smartphones, tablets, PCs, whatever. So, yeah. So, yeah. Not bad at all. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. notification bell, like button, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.